Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be reviewing the tsurinoya, I don't even know how to pronounce it, Dark Wolf Ultra KF50. I've never opened this before, by the way, just saying. This is BFS reel, meaning that it can cast extremely light lures. Retails for around about, I think, $84 on Bait Finesse Empire. First impressions, extremely nice. Look at these handles. Really nice ingrain with the handles. Look at that. Extremely smooth. Nice. Really light, I must say. I think it measures at around 135 grams, which is extremely light for a reel. The main point about this reel, basically, the spool weight, which really matters. I don't know if you guys know. You guys probably don't know like BFS reels that much, but if you know about reel, like it's not reel, spool size, that really matters for a majority of the BFS like stuff that you can do, because the lighter the spool, the easier it is to cast. So yeah, basically really nice. I like these handles, nice handles, extremely smooth. You can see, look at that's like one spool right there. Like I said, this is my first impressions on it. Looks really nice. You have your gear adjustment right here, as you can see. There are two, so you have, I think this is how easy it casts. Really nice. Made out of complete metal. Don't know if you guys can hear that. Spool, extremely nice spool. Very thin though, must say. That is one thing about all BFS reels. Their spool is extremely thin. So for that, we're going to use this Volvis 8 16-pound braid, 0.8, don't even know what this is. This is Japanese, so this thing is like, this is huge in Japan, so I might try it. We got the blue color, because that's the only color that they really had. So yeah, let's get it spooled up, I guess, and I'll tell you more about it. Now, here is me voicing over and describing it and giving like crap about it that you guys really don't really care about, but just like interesting. Ooh, right here, carbon fiber. See that carbon fiber? Looks like a 7:1 gear ratio. So for every 1 turn, I believe. So there's 1 turn. That's about 7 rotations of the spool. So yeah, I'll voice over it, give you some statistics about it, some stuff that you might find helpful, and we'll get it spooled up. So yeah. Alright guys, we're back. Got it spooled up with that 15-pound line. I forgot to tell you the rod, the Texura Dexterity 7'2" ultralight. We got on a little 130 stick head with a monkey milk. This works great for crappie. So yeah, we're gonna do a cast for the first time. I've used bait casters before, but I've never used this light of one. Got the brakes set on like 2.5. I'll just make it 3. Got it perfectly set, as you can see, that this flows down, and we'll see. Oh, okay, we backlashed. Okay. Alright, got the backlash out. Let's try this again. So I'm gonna put the brakes all the way. Perfect, there we go guys. First cast, I set the brakes all the way to the map. So I'm wondering if that was a problem maybe. But there we go, no backlash, as you can see. Perfect, exactly what you like to see there. Very little backlash. We're still fine. Extremely little backlash, actually, just kind of deep. Perfect. Oh, and by the way, guys, I forgot to tell you, I have casted, the last time I casted a bait caster was like, I don't know, I'd say probably like 6 months ago. First impressions of the rod and the reel combined, extremely well balanced. My goodness, guys. I don't think, I'm like speechless because this is like actually so cool. And cast these lighter baits. As you can see, that cast no backlash at all. Kind of already mastering this, if I'm being honest. Just gotta feather it very lightly. That's what I've learned. Just extremely light feathering. One thing that I will say is this pond has quite a bit of algae, so. I think the other problem with that first cast is the fact that I didn't have my line wet, which helps a lot, supposedly. So yeah, guys, first impressions, I love this line. This line is so light. Let's see if I can whip it out there. Oh, I spoke too soon. I backlashed. But it's all right, because it's not that deep at all. Literally, just gotta pull out some line here. Almost done. Just got that last little knot. Perfect. Back to normal. And get out there. Try that again. Wasn't even that bad. I just gotta feather it a lot. Fish on, guys. Fish on. I was just getting my line off of it. We got one. First fish on the ultralight, fellas. There we go, a little bluegill. Ha, there we go. Look at that. How snazzy is that? Nice little 7-8 inch bluegill. Put a nice bend in that rod. Took some drag. Perfect. Nice way to break in the rod. First bluegill. Of course, I caught a bluegill, not a crappie, but whatever. Let's catch a bluegill. Okay, try that again. Oh, by the way, I've said this before, but I am using a 1/32 ounce jig head, so that might be part of why I'm casting so light, so little. Also, because I'm scared of backlashing it and stuff like that. We're gonna move to the bridge. Actually, I'm just gonna try a jig because I want to break in this new rod with a crappie. So we'll break it in. We've already broke it in, but still, we'll try. I no backlash, no hands on the reel too. Fish on. There we go, guys. Oh! Oh man, that hurts. Let's try and get back out there again. Fish on. There we go. Fish on. Oh, it's a bluegill. I wonder if that last one was a crappie or bass. Should I boat flip him? Boat flip, whatever. Going for it, fellas. Ah, I'm back here. That's how we do it. Let's go. Beautiful bluegill. Look at the coloring on that little dude. There we go, guys. Nice bluegill. Look at the beautiful scale on. Just let him go from up here. There he goes. All right, let's move a bit further down. Whew! Hit, hit, hit. Definitely a hit. Definitely a crappie, Polly. That definitely was a crappie. I would not be surprised if it was. Fish on. Oh, crappie, guys. Pin him to the bottom. It's a small one. But get up here. First crappie on the BFS rod. What? Look at that, guys. That's perfect hook set because of that nice light rod, and there he goes. First crappie. I'm feeling good about this rod. Really like it. Usually these crappies stacked along right here, so cast a bit more. There you go. Another crappie, probably. What is this? He's throwing the hook a bunch. Nice crappie. There we go. That's a fun size. As kayak catfish would say, that's a fun size crappie. Right there. That's actually not too bad of a crappie. That's really nice. Look at how fat that guy is. Probably spawning. I just let him go really fast. Man. Perfect release. Because what you want to do is you want to get them water, push oxygen and water through their gill. Most people think that like you want to like give them a second of water. If you have that chance, you definitely should. But overall, I think that if you just put oxygen through their gills and kind of dive bomb them, it's the best option. And you already know it. This is, I don't know, probably the smallest one, I guess. Still a nice one though. Still a nice 5-6 incher. There it goes. I'm not even gonna put my finger on it. I don't even care. I feel like I'm gonna backlash because I'm just gonna backlash because I just said that. I definitely just jinxed myself there. Let's ease the brakes down to 4. Oh my goodness, guys! What the heck? Holy crap! Okay, this is a. I had like a 10-inch crappie. I just lost that thing. If I'm being honest, that might have been my fault actually, because I was trying to get over that light post, and I went like that for some reason. So I'll be honest, that might have been my fault. So I just lost the best crappie of the day. Quite possibly. Now, maybe I'll get a bass. Maybe. I don't know. Why should I get like a 4-pound bass? This is 15-pound weight, so. Holy crap, I just launched that thing. I think the other reason I missed that fish is because my hook set was so bad. Fish on! That might be a better one too. Oh my goodness. It's a jumper, that's for sure. Might as well just boat flip them up here because why not? Why not? Okay. Oh, this guy looks to be a thumbnail type fish. Actually, yeah, let's go to thumbnail. Give me a sec, guys. Bass. Oh, really big catfish. Come down here. Okay, let me put my thing in my chest. I was getting a thumbnail. My dad was helping me get the thumbnail. And then he walked over here. I can get it. He's gonna break your line off. I have no idea why I said this. Holy because like crap. Later on in the video you'll find out that I actually do catch a bass. This is like the best moment for foreshadowing. Ow. Like I can't make this up. You'll just see it. Watch to the end. Just trust me. I'm bleeding. Needle nose or something? Holy crap. We'll just say for the sake of YouTube that is ketchup. Alright guys, there we go. That is a PB bullhead for my dad and me too. That is considered a trophy, I think, actually. That is a really nice bullhead. Holy crap, guys. That is actually like a massive bullhead. I've never seen one like... I don't think they can get much bigger than this, actually. He has some razor sharp teeth on him there. He really can get you. This is like freaking a pike or something. But yeah, guys, that is a nice bullhead. Let's get a comparison on the rod real quick. These things can live without water for a long time. So from that... all the way down. Yep. To about the reel. A bit longer than the reel. Dang. Alright. That is a trophy bullhead. Imagine if I got that on my BFS rod. Alrighty. Let's get a release. Please stop biting me. Listen, bud, I'll let you go, okay? Stop, okay. Okay. You're really not nice. Oh, wow. Okay, well, and these things are covered in slime. It's like glue, actually, guys. Look at this. Look. See how it's like. See that? It has like weird. Catfish slime is different. But yeah, he did get me. That is ketchup. So let's wash it off in this nice muddy water that probably definitely has 27 deadly viruses in it that can kill me. Ow, dang it, that really hurt. Okay. Welcome to Fishing Fanatic Experiments. Gah! I want to see how far I can cast this on different drag types and not backlash. So I'm going to just kind of keep it at, right now it's at 4, 5.2, whatever. Oh. Ooh, I backlashed. Okay, casting test done. Turn that back up to 5 because that was a good experiment. I thought that the more further you cast, the less breaks, the further I can cast. That is a big turtle. You see that, guys? That is a big turtle. What the heck was that? It like sloped it up. Oh, geese. Stupid geese. He's trying to disrupt my video. Whatever that is, I got it. Definitely got it here. Looks like it's gonna be a crappie. Crappie. Get up here. Welcome aboard. Whoa, my goodness, you are energetic. Especially for the fact that you're gonna be spawning here. Look at that. Nice fat eggo. Okay, he belly flopped, but he'll be okay. She'll be okay, actually. Okay, we're gonna try, there's a cove right down there. And I'll try and make a few casts as we go. Fish on, guys. Tried a lot of different spots. There we go. Another nice crappie. Get the hook out. There we go. Nice one. Got him. Fish on. Oh my goodness. How? You're telling me I cast 20 times and I snag hook one? Dang. What? Might as well walk back. Cause why not? I also want to try a spot. I don't know how easy I can get to it because it looks hard to get to. Let's try this. Let's see. Oh yeah, there's a nice little thing right there. What the heck? Yeah, they're doing circles. That was so weird. He like loaded onto it. He slipped that little puppy down. There you go, guys. Another nice little crappie. Got him. Fish on. Fish on, guys. I walk back. I don't know why, but I always just walk back whenever I get one. I guess because I don't want to lose them when I joke. There you go. Hooks out just like that. Nice little one. See you later, buddy. fish on again, just like that. Right where the other one hit too. Keep them down and around and boat flip them up. Cause I'm just like that. Whew, he liked that thing. See that, guys? Look at that. He definitely ate it. There we go. On the bobby garland. I don't know if you guys tell, but my dad and I love them bobby garland. Oh, this guy's small. Here we go. Another nice little one. See you later, buddy. I don't even really want to catch the small ones if I'm being honest. Oh, that's a nicer one. I can't even set my drag glow. Is that really though? Nope. He just jumped a lot more. That's probably one of the smallest ones of the day, actually. That seems to be about the normal size, if I'm being honest. Little 4 or 5 inch. Supposedly crappie grow like 5 inches every year or so. No. Yeah, I don't think so, bud. You're not getting off this time. The bite definitely slowed down. There we go. Nice little guy. There he goes. Oh, shoot. It's a better fish. Hey, look at these guys. Biggest one of the day. There, now it's kind of picking up. Look at his tail. Like missing so much of his tail there. There you go. Nice one. Oh, there he goes. Okay, guys, we're live here. This is an extremely big fish. I don't know if I can land this thing, actually. It's almost time to go. I was just throwing around a rattle trap and this thing bit. If you hear that, guys, that's the sound of bait casting drag, which is, look at the bend in my rod. This is something really, really big. I'm just gonna play it, I guess. I'm not making good headway on it, that's for sure. Feels like just a giant log. Dad, I think he got off.
Yep, he got off. Put you into a log, you know?
No, he didn't. He's still on, guys.
Oh, yeah, there he is.
Oh, yep. Okay. Okay. You guys see this giant thing of leaves? That's the... It is dark. I can't see anything. I Can you get the forceps? Holy crap. Okay, guys. That is one way to break in the new rod and reel. That is probably a 2. To say the least. He is covered in leaves here, too. Okay. Holy crap, did he hit that, too? He hit that thing like a freight train. Okay. I'll just let you guys look at this fish. Okay, give me a sec. Let me go get a thumbnail.
Is it in the back?
Yeah. Alright, guys, got a thumbnail here. Look at that fish. Look at how he hammered it. Oh, there he goes. Alright, guys. That was probably a 3-pounder. I'll see you in the next one again. Make sure to like, subscribe, and watch the whole entire thing through. And I'll see you in the next one. It's dark, so yeah, bye.